Hello everybody, how you doing? My name is Fahad and this video is about the exist operator and how does it work. So first of all, let me just define you what is the exist operator. Okay, so exist operator is used to check for the existence of any record in a subquery. Okay, what is a subquery? A query within a query is a subquery. Okay, so if that subquery has any record in it, exist operator will check it or the test it. Okay, the function of an exist operator is to check or the test whether we have got any record from our subquery or not. Let me show you how does it work in the code. Okay, to understand the exist operator, we have the two different tables, the customer tables and the orders tables. Okay, you can see here we have the three different columns. In the customers table, customer ID, first name and the last name, and in the orders table we have the three different columns, order ID, customer ID, CID, okay, for that, and the order date. Alright, so I just want to display all the customer who had made the purchases and also those customer who haven't made any purchases, alright, separately. Okay, so let's just try to solve this thing with the help of exist operator. Alright, so first of all, select, I want to show first name and last name from table where. Okay, now here we will be using our exist operator, where exist. Okay, where exist. Now you have to use these parentheses. Okay, now in these parentheses you will be using your subquery. So the function of an exist operator is to check whether we have got any record or any value from our subquery or not. Okay, if we got any value or the record, other queries will be executed, like this query will be executed. But if we don't get any record, this query will not be executed. Alright, so the subquery is select from orders where ID. Alright, so here is the situation that I want to see all those customers who had made the purchases. So this is the code for it. So let's just run our code. Okay, there is an error here. Orders. Now you can see here that we have two names who had made the purchases. Alright, okay, what if I want to see the names of the customer who haven't made any purchase? So for that, all you need to write a not operator here. Okay, it will show you all those customers who haven't made any single purchase. So let's just execute this code. Now you can see here we have all those customers which haven't made any single purchase. So this is how we use the exist operator. Okay, now I want to see what will happen if we don't get any record from our subquery. Let me just execute this code. You won't have any data or any output if the subquery doesn't give you any output or any record. Okay, because this query is dependent on this query. Alright, our subquery. So this is how it works. This is how the exist operator works. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.